to save a location on Google Maps. So just watch and follow this video till the end. So this is the Google Maps. So right now I wanna save a location. For example, I would just zoom and I wanna save this location, this stadium location, just to go. I want to go to the stadium later. I want to save the location. What I have to do, I would just click like on the stadium for 1 second or two, and then it will show me this. What I have to do, I will click on save, and I will save like favorites or want to go or travel plan or started places. For example, I want to go to watch, for example, watch football match and click down, and that's it, guys. It's dropped it, as you can see, in the green color. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe.